So, clearly, you ladies can handle pressure. You see it each and every day.
Yes.
7 days a week.
Yes. Yep.
All of you are faced with a tough task tonight, cooking for 50 customers. Yes? And the objective of tonight, of course, is to make sure those 50 customers pay for their starter, their mains and dessert. Now, you all put yourselves forward as talented cooks.
Yeah.
Now, it's time to prove it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready,
Okay.
ready.
Here we go. Okay, Francesca, what is the starter?
It's small calamari, shallow fried.
Yes.
With sweet chilli sauce.
That's right.
And then some bok choy at the bottom with some oyster sauce.
Exactly. So you score the inside to keep it flat.
Okay.
Okay.
So give them a little shake. Okay, so it's not too thick with corn flour. Okay, in and lay away from you. Yes?
Okay.
Lay away, again, lay them away.
Okay.
Bok choy in, okay? And you've got to do this really quickly. Touch of olive oil, and it wilts very quickly like spinach.
Yep.
A few small flakes of chilli in there to roast off. A little bit of oyster sauce in. A few flakes of garlic, sliced very, very thinly. And then you just toss that over, okay? Quick toss. Okay, and then out. Nice crispy squid. 1, 2, 3, touch of sauce. Inside the chili sauce, there's sugar, garlic, chilies, okay, and a little bit of soy sauce. Just visualise that in your head.
I'm trying.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Done. Don't look so worried. Relax. Yes?
I think I normally look worried, that's probably...
More importantly, I'll tell you what to do. There's one person controlling this kitchen and 4 of you cooking.
Yep.
If we listen, do as you're told,
Yep.
it's going to be a fucking great night.
Okay. No
On
problem.
your stations, and good luck, yes?
Thank you.
Jean-Baptiste, let's go.
Gordon.
Dans les premiers 4 tables, s'il vous plaît, là.
Oui.
Hein? How is everybody out there?
Very good, very busy.
Nice
là.
atmosphere?
Oui.
Yes? Okay, on order table 5, 4 covers table 5. 4 squid, 4 chicken ballantine, 4 crêpes Suzette.
Right.
Yes, Gordon.
Yes, Gordon.
That was a really pathetic response. Yes? Yes, Gordon, yes, Chef. It'd be nice if we get a bit vocal, so it sort of gears you up ready for a really good service, yes? I'll start that again, okay?
All right.
On order, 4 covers table 5, 4 squid, 4 chicken ballantine, 4 crêpes Suzette.
Yes, Gordon.
Thank you.
2 each side.
No. Are you telling them what to do, or should I tell them what to do?
You should tell them what to do.
Thank you. So shut the fuck up then.
Right, will do.
Right, GB.
Yes, Gordon.
How you doing? You had the first ticket on 4
I'm
squid.
doing
How
good.
long?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, give me a
Need
time,
at least
please.
At least 4 minutes, please.
4 minutes, thank you. Peter.
My presentation's crap.
No, listen to me. Listen. Peter, come here. There's no garlic in your bak choy, and there's no chilli.
There was, I put some chilli in.
Where is it then?
Little bits.
Where's the garlic then? I'm not here to argue.
No, I'll put some more in. Okay.
Peter, you're not here to argue. There's nothing in there. Start
do it.
again. I'm going to be going to the fucking mental home in a minute. Any chance of going quicker? Otherwise, I'll get them to put a sign up. Average waiting time for Peter's table, 45 minutes. Join the queue. Okay? Can we get the plates cleaned? Yeah? That looks lovely. But the plates are fucking disgusting. So, get a little cloth out there and clean the plates. Yeah?
Okay.
So you must see all sorts of accidents, you know that?
We do.
Huh?
We do.
What's the worst ever sexual accident you've had in the middle of the night?
Now you're talking. What do you mean, at work or at home?
No, not at work, no. Yeah, no, at work, yeah. Not at home, my God. I knew that'd get you going.
I can't possibly disclose that here.
What type of accident
We've
was
had
it?
some interesting vacuum cleaner injuries.
Serious?
Yeah.
What, they've got the nozzle stuck?
That sort of thing.
Oh, my God.
Vacuuming with their dressing gown open, you know.
Peter. The food's looking fantastic, but we can't afford to keep the customers waiting too long. Let's go, yes?
Okay.
Otherwise, they won't be paying for anything, yes?
Yes, Gordon.
Let's go. Should we continue? Nice and tight, those plates.
I don't like squid, and I was really surprised. I've never had squid that wasn't rubbery and stuff before, and this was really, really good.
I loved it. I really like squid anyway, but the squid was cooked to perfection. I thought the texture was really, really good. Love the sweet chili sauce, the honey and that sort of stuff. Perfect, really.
Okay, ladies, on order, yes? 4 covers table 3, 3 salad of squid, 3 chicken ballantine, 3 crêpes Suzette.
Yes, Gordon.
Yes.
Ladies, that's the last order. Let's go.
Gordon.
GB.
Yes, Gordon.
You've been the fastest tonight. Let's go. Last table for you. 4
Okay,
squid
Gordon.
away.
On it.
3 nice bits.
Tracking these two, yeah?
Look,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. There. And then drizzle your sauce around. Yeah. Watch. Just over the top, and that's it. Yeah, I can't make it any simpler than that. Good, please, go. Let's go. Well done, Peter. Finally, yes? Okay, Jean-Baptiste. Right, yeah, slightly slow. The results.
4 in total are not happy to pay tonight.
Only 4 customers
Only
not paying
4.
for the starter?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Yes?
That's good, very good.
That's fucking good news.
Is that good?
Well
Yeah.
done. Yeah,
No, it doesn't sound
46 are paying, 4 aren't. Huh?
Okay.
It's not perfect, but it's bloody good.
Okay.
For the main course, I want everybody paying, yeah?
Yeah,
50
definitely.
paying for that chicken leg, yeah?
Definitely.
Let's go.